wake at Olivia 8. Stop, wake at Olivia 8. Playing now, playing now. Okay, guys, I am opening up this Nerf gun. Don't worry, it's not real. It's just a fake gun with fake bullets. So let's just get into this bad boy. Hopefully. Okay, got that open. Come on, guys. Right, maybe if I try to take it out of the box. Try to open up the box first. Okay. Hold on, guys. I'm just gonna cut him out the box. Let's cut out this. There we go. Oh, 73. That's so wrong. Okay, so that should be able. So I should be able to actually like. Let's get this open right here. Something. Okay, so this is a quick thing to put my gun in. So I do not need right now. Jeez, this is like child proof. Not parent proof, child proof. Okay, so I got the gun out. Yeah, it's all good. Let's see. So the box is really empty. Right? Nope. Yeah, I mean, so I guess. Okay. Oh, comes with an exception. So there, but I do this. Okay. So. I don't know how to do this. I have an idea. I'll just put the plastic down here. Okay, so I think I can get the bullets out. There we go. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so I have 3 regular ones or 3 colored. Then I got this cool one. So I'm gonna, and this is a thing I can put through it. This is OMG. OMG. Away. I don't know if you guys can see it. Over here it says no pewed soul. So yeah, I think so this one could just be like clipped probably. This one is like a special one. See, yeah, you could probably like just like clip it. So let's put a board in here. It's kind of it just drew out already. Now this is style look. Yeah. Oh yeah, that works. So let's try this one, the special one. Two. I don't know what this one's supposed to do. Well, that one doesn't go that far. Let's try again. Oh my gosh. Well, that went for that time. Okay, I'm back. So, what do I, wait. Can we, you should just, no, just out of this one. So, you can't do that with the other ones. Okay. So, then what you can do for this is you can, hold on guys, 1 second. Okay. So then you get this. Okay, so you have this. Put all your bullets in the front because that's all you're supposed to do. Oh. So let's put these all in. I wonder if they're just gonna swing all at the same time. That'd be cool. Okay, let's see. Nope. Oh, we went out of time. So let's see. Let's try that again. Oh, okay. Okay. So it holds full. But you're just gonna have to like switch it out, kind of. Then whenever you're going into battle, okay. Say you go into battle, you have your just go like this. No, it goes in like this somehow. There we go. So have you go like this. You will. Hey, how's it going? Hey, how's it going? So then yeah. That's what all of this is for, so yeah. When we do this, say bye to you guys. Bye bye. What the? That shoot 2 out at the same time. What the? What the? See, a pretty cool toy. Bye bye. See ya. Bye guys.